family still matters. I don't care what they try to convince you. Hey, 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 daddy and your mama. Hey, family still matters. You are noir. And what they try to convince you. I don't care, no, 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 no. Daddy and your mama. Hey, family still matters. You are noir. Sky's the limit when you're in it. Sometimes I feel this existence is a gimmick, but then the reality of a child's laughter and needs pushes your heart to higher limits and causes you to pivot. Even the idea of a world with you in it makes the struggle of day-to-day life a life worth living. Hopes of a better version of you. Is this cinnamon and nutmeg? I beg you to tell me the truth. Drawing a line in the sand of, do you want me, us, or is it only about you? You ever put on a leather when it's cold, huh? The material sends a slight chill through your soul. Vanilla and amber meshed in a bowl. I tried to be strong for you when I decided my only chance of a union and family. I'm taking one shot at it and I got shot in the process trying to console. Damn, I love you. Now scratch that. Damn, I love us. A pot of tonka beans gives the household a rush. Walking in the door after a long day, greeted by your kisses and hugs is enough. I am wealthy. I am wealthy. Baby, you melt me. I just hope when I'm gone in some way you truly felt me. It's sort of real me. Excluding propaganda, excluding what you've been led to believe by TV. I am a hopeless romantic. And I know in this day and age that's simply a fool's belief. I know the real you. And I know the real me. The real you and the real me is we. I don't care what they try to convince you. Hey, hey, hey. Daddy and your mama. Family still matters. You are new. I don't care what they try to convince you. I don't care. It's just you. Daddy and your mama and us. Family still matters. Us. I don't care what they try to convince you. Hey, keep God first. Hey, Daddy and your mama. Hey, family still matters. You are noir. I don't care what they try to convince you. I don't care. No. Hey, yeah, Daddy and your mama. Family still matters. You are.
Ladies and gentlemen, and my fellow earthlings, welcome back to Bottled Thoughts. What's up, people? I hope everyone is well and taking care of yourselves. On this channel, you know what we do. And if you don't know what we do, if you're new, fragrances, spoken word, poetry, thoughts on fragrances. That's about it, people. You know, take the time out to like, subscribe, share. Sharing is caring, okay? And thank you to a brother that shared his backup bottle of this gem we're going to talk about today, people. And I'm late to the party, but thank you to my brother TYREE. Bro, thank you. I appreciate you, man. I follow him. He follows me on the gram. He's a subscriber. And man, always showing love, man. Genuine brother. Beautiful family. Salute to you, brother TYREE. And that poem that I spit in the beginning was the inspiration. Just seeing him and, you know, on the gram and his, you know, his beautiful family, man. And just his generosity, excuse me, for showing love and blessing me with a bottle, his backup bottle of Issey Miyake's L'eau d'Issey pour Homme Ambre, Noir Ambre, excuse me. Listen. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. Thank you, TYREE. I really appreciate this, you know, wholeheartedly and humbly, man. Oh, man. When I had the opportunity to get this beauty, I dropped the ball on that, man. Pause. And listen, I seen those prices and I was like, nah, I'm bugging when I revisited this one, and the prices were up there, but got my bottle. Thank you, bro. Thank you, TYREE. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you. But let's get into this beauty here, man. It is an amber fragrance. It came out in 2016. Once again, I am late to the party. Forgive me, people. I tried to get my hands on this and slipped through, but hey, I get to talk about it now. This is still a gorgeous fragrance, in my humble opinion. A designer. It reeks of class. It's smooth, nice. Oh man, it has all the star players in this. It has cinnamon, it has saffron, it has nutmeg, it has some cedar, some leather in there. It's got some amber, of course, the star player. Okay, some tonka beans and some vanilla there. Oh man, listen. Off the rip, I'm telling you, that saffron with the cinnamon and that nutmeg, ooh, it's nice, man. And you get all phases of this beauty, in my humble opinion, people. You get the cinnamon and the nut, you get that spicy affair going on with the saffron. It's nice in the beginning, and then that leather and the cedar starts working its way in, and it's just woody, and hey boy, woody, and just, they got the leather just going on. It's like you spilled maple syrup on your leather jacket. I said it's like you spilled maple syrup on your leather jacket, brother. You dig? And then you had some pancakes with some cinnamon. Kind of gourmandish, in my humble opinion. This is nice. I like this. Then the amber just shines throughout this, people. And then the leather, man, it's smooth once again. That leather, that maple syrup on your leather jacket. Talk to me, people. It's good. It's good. It's good. I am gonna hold you, man, for surprisingly, not even surprisingly, because I did, maybe I'm a person that got caught up the hype, and I'm glad I got caught up the hype. This goes in my bucket of top designers, and I like thick, heavy scents. We'll get into as far as the seasons and occasions, but this is sweet, spicy, woody, smooth, sexy, alluring. It's a vibe, man. It is a vibe. In my humble opinion, people, I really enjoy this, and I'm really thankful to have a bottle of this gorgeous scent. I love ambers. I love amber fragrances, man. So, whew. As for occasions now, date night, see that date night, that amber, yeah, sensual, classy. Once again, you can wear this dressed up too, people. You can also wear this, I like to wear I've been testing this fragrance out, so of course I've been wearing this in-house, and I've been wearing it out just on my way to work, and it's nice, man. It's nice when you're just wearing it, you're laid back and you have a drink, and it's Now, as far as performance goes, a solid 8. It's not intrusive, people. Not in my humble opinion. It's not intrusive. It's there. It's not beast mode, but it's not a slouch, okay? Once again, would be nice in a formal setting, a date night setting, something cozy and intimate, okay? Because it has a nice sillage, projects moderately. It's not heavy. It's not trying to choke everybody out, okay? When you step in there. Now, as far as seasons go, wear what you want when you want. That's just my humble opinion. But with this, me personally, I'd do spring nights, fall nights, winter nights. Man, this will go on a scarf in the winter, New York. Woo, 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 oof. You on a Dre, you just shaking and baking, baby. Listen, I'm trying to tell you. You better call Will Ferrell. Shake and bake, baby. Listen, I'm trying to get out of here, people, but I just want to thank you for tuning in to Bottle Thoughts, and thank you to my brother, TYREE. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. This is a goodie. Please like, subscribe, show me some love. Share this, people. You stay humble and you stay powerful. Shalom. Peace.
You alive, right? You alive, right? Hold on. Check your pulse. Put your finger under your nose. Are you still breathing? Glory be to God. Yeah. Call it sunshine. Yeah.